Good morning, students. Today we will see some blanks, okay, and we have to fill up them with the help of the suitable article. And yet you know that article means a and the. There are two types of article: definite article and indefinite article. Okay, definite article and indefinite article. So definite article is only one, the is called the definite article, and indefinite article are a and n. Okay, so we start. First you can see the sentences. Here we have to put a suitable article. Before it, I want to talk with you on article. In your early classes, okay, are you listening carefully? In your early classes, you learnt, LERNT learnt that if the first letter of the spelling starts with the vowel, then you have to put an there, an there, okay. And if I am talking about this spelling or this place, after the blank we find the spelling, and on the basis of that spelling or on the basis of the nature of that spelling we fill by a, by an, or by the, right? So we learnt in our early classes, after the blank when we see or when we find one spelling, correct, and of that spelling, if the first letter is vowel, then we should write here n, an. If we find the first letter is consonant, then we should write there a. And if the sentence is telling us that it is a definite, the definite article should come here, means the come here, that the should come here, then we will think about it. But basically we get confusion about a and n, and in every question paper of English of every class you can see one or two blanks come and we have to solve them, and they bear 1 mark, okay. So, and also if we are using the incorrect article, incorrect word, if we are speaking or writing, then it proves that our English is not good. So we have to be careful whenever we face the article. However, it is a very you can say it is a very low topic, cheap topic for you, because you will say that sir, articles we have learnt in class 4th. But many students make many mistakes today too, in senior classes too, TWO. So we start. He is MA, okay. So here is M is not a vowel, then I should write here what, A. It is the knowledge of your early classes, right? But it is incorrect. You should write here N. Why? Because when we pronunciate M, when we pronunciate, जब हम M बोलते हैं M, तो फर्स्ट A बाहर आता है ना, M, तो पहले A वॉवल बाहर आपके माउथ से निकला. Whenever we speak M, then first vowel A comes out from our mouth. It means the vowel is not written here, but the vowel is working. So you have to write here N, and now the sentence is correct. Like that, he is, what is the full form of MA? Master of Art. He is MLA. Same thing, when we speak M, then the vowel comes from our mouth, M, A. So it means, however, the vowel is not written there, but it is working there, so we should write here N. And what is the full form of MLA? Member of Legislative Assembly. Member of Legislative Assembly means in Hindi विधायक. He is MBA. Same thing. M, we are pronunciating M and the vowel is coming outside from our mouth. However, it is not written there, so we will write there N. And what is the full form of MBA? Master of Business Administration. Master of Business Administration. Okay. Again we find MED. M is there, vowel is coming outside now. I think that you have got the idea. N. MED, what is the full form of MED? If you want to be the principal, sir, of any school or any college, then you have to complete 1 degree of MED. And what is the full form of it? What is the full form of it? Master of Education. What? Master of Education. Okay. So now we are on 6th sentence. He is NCC cadet. Again N, when we pronunciate N, then A vowel comes out from our mouth first. Means vowel is not written there, but it is working during the mode of pronunciation. So we will write here N. NRI. Okay, NCC. He is an NCC cadet. National Cadet Corps is the full form of NCC. Now we are on 7th. He is NRI. Again N is there. Vowel is not written there, but it is working during the mode of pronunciation. So we will write here N. And what is the full form of NRI? Non-residential Indian. Non-रेसिडेंशियल इंडियन मतलब ऐसा इंडियन जो इंडिया में नहीं रहता हो. सपोज़ कि आप यूके में रहते हो, सपोज़ कि आप यूएसए में सेट हो और आपको वहाँ की सिटीजनशिप मिल गई हो, तो आप एनआरआई हैं बिकॉज यू आर द सिटीजन ऑफ देयर, बट यू बिलोंग टू इंडिया. एनआरआई. 8th पे आते हैं. ही इज़ एसपी. अगेन व्हेन वी स्पीक एस, then first A will come from our mouth, and however the vowel is not written, but it is working in pronunciation. So we will write here N. And what is the full form of SP? Superintendent of Police. Again he is SDM, means an SDM, an SDOP, and SI. SDM. Okay, we are, the letter S is there, and when we speak, when we pronunciate, then A vowel works. However, it is not written there, but we have to follow that vowel is working, so we have to follow the vowel. So N will be the answer. SDM. What is the full form of SDM? Sub-divisional magistrate. Now he is an SDOP. Again S is there, so you know the logic now. SDOP. What is the full form of SDOP? Sub-divisional officer of police. Sub-divisional officer of police. Now 11th, SI. He is an SI, sub-inspector, you know. Okay, now we are on 12th sentence. He is MSc. Again M is coming, and you know the logic, so we will write here N, and then MCom. For MCom we will also write N. Again he is MP of MP. It is an interesting sentence for you. He is MP of MP. So the MP which is written in the last means Madhya Pradesh, and between the and in the center of the sentence, or है ना, he is MP. of MP. So first MP is not Madhya Pradesh, first MP is member of parliament and second MP means Madhya Pradesh. So member of parliament means सांसद, वह मध्य प्रदेश का एक सांसद है. एंड यू नो दैट आई थिंक मोर देन 24 MPs elected this I think in this election. Okay, so more than 24 MPs were elected in this election. I think the election which was held in 2019. So he is an MP of Madhya Pradesh. It is the meaning of this sentence. He is an MP of MP. वह मध्य प्रदेश का एक सांसद है ना. ओके, और यदि मध्य प्रदेश में केवल एक ही सीट होती पार्लियामेंट की तो फिर क्या कहते हैं हम, ही इज़ द MP ऑफ MP. ओके, फिर वहाँ पर हम ए या एन नहीं लगा सकते थे, क्योंकि जब चीज़ कोई एक होती है, डेफिनेट हो जाती है, तो फिर हम वहाँ पर क्या लगाते हैं, द लगाते हैं. और चूँकि मध्य प्रदेश से मोर देन 24 इलेक्टेड होते हैं MP, है ना, इस कारण से हम वहाँ पर एन लिख रहे हैं, क्योंकि 24 हैं वो, केवल एक नहीं. और यदि एक ही होता तो फिर हम वहाँ पर द लगाते. ही इज़ द MP ऑफ MP, बट इट इज़ नॉट रियलिटी. ही इज़ एन MP ऑफ MP. ओके, ही इज़ यूरोपियन. लुक दिस वर्ड EUROPEN. सो वेन एवर यू विल कम फ्रॉम योर माउथ, you know, whenever you will come, then you have to write here A. Why? Because you can say that there are two vowel E and U, so we should write here N, but N is the not correct answer for this sentence. Why? Because E and U are vowel, they are written there, but they are not working in pronunciation. ओके, दे आर रिटन बट नॉट वर्किंग इन प्रोनाउंसिएशन. यू बोलिए आप, यूरोपियन बोलेंगे हम. जब हम यूरोपियन बोलेंगे तो फर्स्ट लेटर क्या आया, यू. यू मत मीन्स य में बड़े ऊ की मात्रा. अक्षर क्या हो गया, य. और यह अक्षर काय से बनता है इंग्लिश में, आपको पता है. यह लेटर काय से बनता है, वाई से. आप देख लीजिए, यू की स्पेलिंग में YOU, येलो की स्पेलिंग में YELLOW मीन्स यह जो लेटर है वो काय से बनता है इंग्लिश में, वाई से. और आपको पता ही है कि AEIOU वॉवेल होते हैं, वाई वॉवेल में नहीं आता, वाई सेमी वॉवेल में काउंट होता है. लेकिन हमको तो सीधा सेमी वॉवेल की बात नहीं करनी, हमें तो वॉवेल की बात करनी है. तो चूंकि वाई वॉवेल नहीं है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पर क्या लगा रहे हैं, ए. इसलिए मैं आपसे कहता हूँ कि जब भी कोई सेंटेंस में यू आप बोलते समय आपके मुंह से प्रोनाउंसिएट होता है, तो आप सीधा वहाँ पर ए लगा दीजिएगा. ओके, लाइक दैट. ही वॉन बाय यूनेमियस वोट. अगेन यू इज कमिंग फ्रॉम आवर माउथ फर्स्ट. सो UAEIOU, 5 vowels are there. U is a vowel written here, but again I want to say it is not working in pronunciation, so we'll write here A. Unanimous means यह अक्षर is working, यह letter is, Y letter is working here. Unanimous. And what is the meaning of unanimous? So unanimous means single. Okay, unanimous means single. He won by a unanimous vote. He is MCA. MCA means again M is there and A is working as the vowel. So MCA, what is the full form of Master of Computer Application? And again in 19 he is LLB. Whenever we speak or write, whenever we speak L, then A will come first. However, A is not written there, vowel is not written there, but vowel is working, so we will write N. Okay, and now I want to talk about this 16 and 17. They are remaining. 16, he is one-eyed man. Okay, answer should come there, N, A N N should come, but N is the but N is not correct answer. A is the correct answer. Why? Because we tell it one. व अक्षर, व लेटर मीन्स व अक्षर आ रहा है हमारे मुंह से बाहर, राइट है। वह हमारे मुंह से प्रोनाउंसिएशन के दौरान बाहर आता है, और आपको पता है कि वह हिंदी का जो वह होता है वो बनता है इंग्लिश के वी से। अब आप बताइए कि भले ही वहाँ पर ओ वॉवेल लिखा है बट वो वर्क नहीं कर रहा प्रोनाउंसिएशन में, काम कौन कर रहा है? वी, और वी वॉवेल नहीं है। तो जो काम कर रहा होगा, चाहे वो वॉवेल हो चाहे वो कॉन्सोनेंट हो, उसी को देखकर हम वहाँ पर ए या एन में से कोई एक पुट करेंगे। क्योंकि यहाँ पर वन बनता है व से, व बनता है वी से, वी वॉवेल नहीं, इसलिए हमने ए लिखा। इसी तरह से एक और देखिए 17 जो बच रहा है, ही इज़ ईयर लेट। ही इज़ अ ईयर लेट। अगेन ए विल कम। Okay, why? Because the correct pronunciation of year is year. Okay, happy new year, not year, but we write and we speak happy new year, but the correct word is year. Y में, य अक्षर में बड़ी की मात्रा year. So Y is working, not E is working. Okay, so we have to write there A. He is a year late. Year late, year में बड़ी की मात्रा year late. Okay, so these were some IMP sentences related to articles, and oftenly we see them in our examination paper of English subject. Many more are there, and in my next video we will work on them. So please subscribe our channel and also share this video if you like to others, and please study well. However, it is the corona time, but the schools have been started, and our school also has been started. So please come regularly with the precautions and also study, because there is no way except study. Thank you.